But what I like about these is these are flexible. These move. So these will lay down on your machine when you're cleaning it, wiping across it. It's not gonna be in your way like the eye hook. They sent me black and they sent me orange. I'm unsure of all the other colors that they offer. You have to check them out. And then what I do is come over, push that down in, and then give that a push. Call me a liar. There we go. And like I said, the company said if you were to put a little bit of soap on that, it would probably push down a lot easier, but I mean, I didn't give it a lot of force. And then what you want to do is you want to pull up on the ring, on the ring I'm turning, and then it will actually pull that tooth washer or whatever it's called into the rubber, and then it will tighten down. There you go. And if you look here, this is anchored down here. Back here, we have another one right here, and we have another one right here.